my mind is blown when I see so many, when I talk to website developers, and so many of them aren't installing Google Analytics at all, much less haven't gotten to GA4. But so that's just an interesting thing that I have come across, and I don't know if you all do as well, or if I'm just, if it's just me.
Yeah, I find a lot of developers think it's not their problem and don't do it because they think it takes a lot of time and effort to add it, and they just don't want to scope it. And also, sometimes developers will say, the client doesn't even want it. And they think they're just not adding it because, well, the client didn't ask for it. They want to do as little as possible, because the more they keep adding, the more time, the less profitable.
Yeah.
But I've been arguing that I think every developer should add it, whether the client asks for it or not.
And just build it into the cost of the website.
It should be.
Yeah.
Your clients, first of all, it shows value of what you built. Right? Second of all, like, if they don't want it now, they might want it later.
And then they're going to just assume, oh, well, so that's what we just did this month, but what about 2 months ago when we ran a blah, blah, blah? Well, obviously you can get that. No, not if you don't have it installed. And some of them don't really realize that, I think it's more, our job to educate them on how it works and tell them that, it's not an option. That's kind of like with me for when I get clients for that manage for the monthly Google Business Profile. I did my reports on Google Analytics, and I want access to that Google Search Console. And my thing is now, it's like, if you don't have it, we're gonna add it, and that's not optional, because I can't tell you how we're really performing without it. So,
Dave, do you add Google Analytics to websites that go out the door?
Always.
Yeah. I've had.
Always. Even if like we do some like Duda sites, and they have analytics, and I still go back and add it in. It doesn't feel right. Because the last thing that I'd want somebody to say is, hey, we're going to start running some ads, and and then they don't have that stuff.
Yeah, Google makes enough money from people who don't know what they're getting.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, plus, I've seen. Sorry. Go ahead.
Go ahead, Brian. No, go ahead.
No, what I was supposed to say was, I think it's not just in the web developer sphere. I've seen it in like social media people as well. Like, I know it's like their scope is only supposed to be social media, but I know a lot of people don't really care if the client's website don't have analytics. So the only analytics that they measure is on Facebook. But it's just like my opinion that, how do you know if like you're getting traffic to the website?
To the website.
You don't have analytics.
Definitely, because with that, but whoops, go ahead.
Oh, sorry, go ahead. But that's just my thought.
Yeah, I agree, especially with the social media. You can show what Facebook is showing is going out, but then, okay, so they hit your website, then what? Did they leave? Did they do your call to action? Are they going to a specific page? You have no idea what's going on with your social media. You simply know that they're clicking things. Well, then what?
Yeah, you're letting Facebook tell you how successful their platform is.
Exactly.
With metrics designed to make Facebook look good. Impressions, like, really, wow, okay, great. I want to know, did that produce anything for me? And I would hope even an SEO company would do it, because I have seen SEO campaigns managed through SEMrush as the analytics from very large Fortune 100 companies.
Wow. Yeah.
In that case, they were not allowed to add Google Analytics to the site, but they used it to suggest how much traffic they might be getting, and the nebulous rank as a metric which is always a problem. But they had no idea if they were getting customers from it because SEMrush has no idea of that.
Yeah. So, I mean, like, so how do you even like quantify what you're providing?
Or how do you know which marketing's working? Is it your
Yeah.
Facebook? Is it your
Yeah.
page? Is it your Google or organic, your local? What marketing channels are working? SEMrush just reports traffic,
Yeah.
route traffic.
Yeah.
All right.